A lot of the other things that we have to do in the beginning phases of a franchisee or a franchisor is entity setup. From a franchisor perspective, you want to make sure that your franchise entity is very clean and separate from operations. Because at the end of the year, you need to start out first off with a balance sheet audit for the FDD, the franchise disclosure document. And then once a year, you need to have a certified audit, which is also included in the FDD, along with all the wonderful legal risk and obligations that are listed in the franchise disclosure document. So it's so important to have a good law firm and a good accounting firm in conjunction with one another to make sure that you come across as the best type of franchisor for those potential new franchisees. Along those lines, now you have to have an entity setup structure, an organizational structure, a flow chart that works properly. Lastly, you want to make sure that your intellectual property, the IP company, is all separate so that those trademarks and copyrights and anything else of an intangible value is protected. These are all proper setups to make sure when you go to sell down the road that the structure is proper for the potential buyer. On top of that, you may want to have a management company to take care of overall operation ease of payroll and bookkeeping, and even to dividend up the profits of the individual entities up into a parent organization to protect cash flow. We don't say that we do it all. What we do very, very well. So that's our promise to you. And if we promise it, we deliver it. There's no exceptions to that rule in our firm. You expect us to do good accounting work. You expect us to do good tax work. It's all the specialty things that we bring to the table that will enable you to run a good business. We look forward to your success in creating this entity. And the next segment, we'll get involved in operations and growth.